Alright guys, so we drew Squirtle on this channel before. Now we're going to draw his evolution. So we're going to draw Wartortle. So this is going to be a little bit more detailed than Squirtle. So we're going to start with his eyes. So he has like this oval eye, and then he has like the slanted line on the top here. We draw another circle, and then a smaller circle, and we color in that second circle here. I know I am going a little bit fast, so if you need to pause the video at any time, that's totally fine. But we're going to repeat that same process with this eye here. And then once we have that done, we're going to draw this little line for the snout, two little circles / lines for the nostrils, and then we're going to draw like this turtle-shaped mouth here, where it meets at a point, and this part down here. His mouth is open and optional, but I like to add a little fang, a little tooth. I think it makes him look unique, makes him look cool, but it's totally up to you if you want to do that. And we're going to draw this curve here, that's his chin or his cheek, and then boop, 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 boop. Going around town here. Going around. And as you can see, we didn't go all the way because we're gonna draw some details here. So we're gonna draw a line that goes up and then some wiggles. Same thing here, line that goes up, a wiggle. Now the one closest to us is gonna be a little bit bigger than the one farther away. Alright, now we can start on his arms here. So we draw this little nub that's going out into the distance. But don't worry, it won't be enough forever. We'll add some details to it. Boop, boop, boop. Now he's got 3 little claws. We got this curve here. Boop. So this other arm's out, different perspective here. But same kind of dealio, we got the 3 claws. And then we can start drawing a little bit of his shell here. His turtle shell. We got his tummy. There's also part of his shell here. And then the other side. Again, we want to leave a little bit of room because we still have 2 more feet we got to draw. So we're leaving room. Drawing that shell. And you don't have to draw all the lines that I did for the shell. It's just if you want to add some extra detail. Totally optional. But I'm going to add these lines to his underbelly here. Boop, boop. Alright, once we're done with that, we draw these hind feet. They look slightly different than the front one. Instead of being little nubs, we draw the toes kind of coming out here. Look a little bit more like feet. I realize that's a little bit off camera. Here you go, guys. So it's like an oval with like 3 points at the bottom. Now, just a heads up, his tail is going to be really long, so just want to make sure you're prepared for that. So we're going to start off with this swirl, and then another swirl, kind of like we're drawing some waves, and then curve it all the way back in. So it starts at that hind foot, and then it curves back in, and then we draw some lines for some extra detail. And then we can go ahead and color him. So unlike Squirtle, Wartortle is purple.